Just waiting for y'all to come on. Hey y'all. Let's see. I wonder if it will let me tag everybody. I don't think it will. Okay. Hey Jolie. Hey Ivory. Hey y'all that's watching. So I just want to say, hey y'all. Y'all excited? Are y'all ready? Are y'all prepared? The 21-day juice cleanse starts tomorrow. So I'm actually headed to the grocery store to pick up my fruits and vegetables. So yeah, so I'm just trying to see where y'all at. If y'all ready, let me know. Cause I'm excited. I'm ready. I'm ready to give my body a break. Definitely. I've told y'all, like, I got a lot of my recipes are coming from the Juicing Bible. This is a really good book. I left, if you see the instructions that I left, like, for this juice cleanse, I did put the link to this book, and this is a really good book. So, like, anything that you may be going through, whether it's things going on with your skin, inflammation, hormone imbalances, this book was written by herbalists. So it has a lot of really good recipes for juices, smoothies, just healing drinks in general. Like if you have suffer from like low libido, it says lupus, menopause, even like menstrual disorders, migraines, osteoporosis, like anything you can think of, there's a drink to help you minimize, you know, the symptoms of that. Okay. And even probably also heal yourself, because we can't heal ourselves. And I do believe that herbs is how a lot of people heal themselves. Okay. Through herbs and giving their body a rest, you know. So I'm going to be doing like a different juice every week. So this week I'm doing one from the book. It's called Live Young, and it has a lot of, like, with the recipe, it has a lot of antioxidants. So, but it's really, really simple, because I don't like doing anything hard or anything like that. So it's like, it's 1 cup of kale, and I'll make sure that I list this recipe in the group for y'all to see if you want to do it. But it's 1 cup of kale, a half a cup of broccoli, 2 carrots, and 1 red delicious apple. And so you juice it, and then you drink it. You pour it in a glass and you drink it. And so that's what I'll be drinking for a week. And then the next week I'll move on to another recipe. But I'll make sure I share it with you all. I do want to do daily check-ins for the 21 days, and I will be doing it on my YouTube channel, which I also linked in the instruction. If you haven't seen that post, like, it's in the announcements, and I'll also, when I'm done with this live, I'll link it here in the description as well. So you have my YouTube channel, and that's where we'll do our daily check-ins. Even if you miss the lives, you can still comment, you know, checking in the comment section. And I'm going to try to go live every day I'm going to try to do between 7 p.m. and 8 p.m. daily. So anytime between 7 and 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. So yeah, so I just, you know, wanted to just check in with y'all to see, for those of you who are going to do it with me. A lot of y'all said y'all were, so I really hope that y'all stick to y'all word. Like, Mercury is retrograded, okay? And it's to me, like, Mercury retrogrades is like a perfect time. Something must have happened, because I see a lot of people dropped off. Facebook be hating on me, because the internet connection is strong. I don't know what happened. Can y'all hear me? It's like everybody dropped off. Okay, oh well, hopefully y'all catch the replay. So yeah, so we're doing the check-in. The daily check-in is going to be on my YouTube channel. And I just want to, check in with y'all to see if y'all are still on board with me. I promise you, this is going to be, if you've never done a juice cleanse before, it's going to be very rewarding. And then we're also, incorporating the daily gratitude journaling, as well as giving away the $21 every day to really open up that abundance and prosperity. Because when you give from a giving space, you'll get those things you'll get it back in return. And not that we're doing any of this just to get things back in return, but that's just how it works. So it's a plus, it's a bonus. So yeah, I don't know if something's wrong with my connection, because Facebook has been really treating me really weird lately, or if y'all just are busy or just not watching. But anyway, let me know in the comments how y'all feeling. Are y'all ready? Do you have everything that you need? If not, go ahead and get it. Just how you feel. Like, I want to know how you feel. Like, I'm excited right now. I know that it's not going to be easy once we start, usually about the first 2 to 3 days is always the hardest, but after that, you kind of just get used to not eating, and then you start, you keep going, you'll get used to it, and then you'll just start to feel good. Like, it's something about giving my body a rest and cleansing. It's almost like it's a rush, like, for me, because I love just the way that I feel. I have so much energy. And also too, during this time, this 21 days, I do want to, for me personally, to work on my relationship with food, because I do feel like I do have an emotional connection with food. So sometimes when things don't go right, or if I'm in a bad mood or something like that, child, I'll go, like, the first thing I think about is what I'm gonna eat, or thinking about food. Like, anytime I'm upset or just shit don't go my way, like, I'm trying to grab some food to eat, and that's not healthy. That's like that's what emotional eating is. And so I'm very much aware of that. And so I do want to work on that during this 21 days, because once I'm done, like, I don't want to go back to the emotional eating. Yes, like, I do love food. I do love food. Okay, I enjoy going out to eat. I enjoy eating delicious meals, but I don't want to just eat it when I'm going through something emotional. You know what I'm saying? Like, the first thing I think about is, oh, what good food I'm gonna eat, because I'm not happy today. Like, I don't want to do that. So that's going to be something that I'm working on. And if that sounds like let's work on it together. And like I said, I'll be doing the daily check-ins on YouTube, just telling y'all how I feel and hearing from y'all as well. So yeah, so that is it, y'all. That is it. Do y'all like my lashes? Y'all, I had the biggest, like, disappointment with these lashes. I posted on my page. I don't even want to get into it, but I didn't like them, but now they're kind of growing on me. I think because they're falling out some. But this was one of the things I was upset about, and, like, I was like, damn, let me just go find me something to eat so I can feel better about these damn lashes. So stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? It's not healthy to do. It's just really not. And we know, like, food is a drug. Food is a drug, especially here in the United States. They people putting all kind of stuff in our food so that we can become addicted to it. That's sugar. It puts sugar in everything. Sugar is very addicting. So things like that, like, so yeah. We're going to get down to the root causes of stuff. I'm sure things are going to come up for you, as well as me, that maybe needs to be addressed. Mercury retrograde is the perfect time to work on those things. Like, some people despise Mercury retrograde, but I see it as an opportunity to rest and to do some inner work. Okay, because a lot of things come up. A lot of triggers come up for people during Mercury retrogrades. So instead of looking at it as a negative way, look at it as a way to address some things that needs to be addressed, because that's usually what it is. It's like every time you go through a Mercury retrograde or these planets, and then now Mercury is not, it's not just a Mercury retrograde. Raprina, who's in the group, you know, she was saying to me, she was like, majority of all of these planets are in retrograde right now. So we got a lot going on in the cosmos, and these energy pulls on us. Like the energies from the planet, they have an effect over us, and they pull on us. But you know, we're in control. So when we're aware of these things, we can do things to kind of transmute that energy, you know, and that is a part of being goddesses and being creators of our own reality. We just don't let life happen to us, okay? We create our reality with our thoughts and our actions and our moods, okay, by controlling our emotions. So like I said, a lot of things are probably going to come up during this time, you know, but like I said, this is a perfect time to really work on what triggers you. Like why do those things trigger you? Why are you upset? You know, when you can't just go to food like me, you're gonna have to sit with those emotions, okay? You're gonna have to feel those emotions, and you're gonna have to work on letting them go. That's the key. So, all right, y'all, I'm gonna just go ahead and end it here. And I'm gonna upload this video to my YouTube channel, because there are some people that are not on this group that are joining the challenge that are on YouTube. So yeah, again, leave in the comments, you know, how you're feeling. Are you prepared? Why are you doing it? What is your motivation for wanting to do the 21-day cleanse? For me, it's to give my body a rest, a reset. Not really to release weight, even though I know that that's going to be, you know, a byproduct of that. Like I know that I'm gonna lose weight by doing this, but it's not my main reason why I'm doing it. I'm really doing it to give my body a reset, because sometimes I just feel really bogged down, because I am a reader and I do readings, and sometimes like that takes a lot out of me. And so giving my body this reset, this recharge, it's actually going to help me. It's going to help me. When I'm fasting, cleansing, I get a lot of downloads, and that's also going to help, because I'll be able to share some of that information that I get with you all. Okay, so that is the reason why I'm doing it. Yeah, and to remain healthy. Fasting and cleansing, it really helps your body, because we can't really control all of the toxins that are in our environment, that are in our food, you know. Even if we decide to not eat meat anymore, you know, or stay away from processed foods and just eat raw, you know, there's still toxins in the vegetables and stuff. So it's like, and they spray it in the air, and you know, it's in the water and everything. So we can't really get away from the toxicity, but we can control the overload, you know. And sometimes giving our bodies a break definitely helps. Like it helps. It really helps. So you know, it's to me, it's a part of my health regimen. That's another reason why I do it. So I want to know why, you know, you're doing this. And if it is to lose weight, that's good too. You know, if it's just because you just want to lose some weight, then nothing's wrong with that. I'm not judging at all. No one else should judge you either. Okay. So let's get started, y'all. And I will see y'all on YouTube between 7 and 8 p.m. Central Standard Time to do a check-in, okay? And I'm gonna post this recipe in the group for y'all if y'all want to do it. It's called Live Young, and I got it from the the Juicing Bible. All right, y'all. Love you, and I will see you soon. Bye.